There are situations we cannot control. As an example, if we take user inputs, we cannot predict exactly what user input would be. The server we use can be down for a moment. A file which is needed can be missing. Sometimes we have to get the support of outside service providers. The service might not always available. When we are doing real-world Java programming, we always use codes provided by others to save time. We cannot know what risks come with them. Alright. The bottom line is, when you write a risky method, you need your code to handle the bad things that might happen. The good thing is, Java has provided well-organized exception handling mechanism. I will explain more with an example. So, this is the code we currently have. Don't worry about these codes. We have provided you all the code samples for all the lessons of this course. You can follow how to use Code Samples guide if you want any support. Well, I am copying and pasting this line below. Let us take the value of second position of the array as an output. If you check, you will see this works fine. Now, I am declaring an int variable named a here above the loop an array, and set the value to it. And here, in this code line, change this to a. It gives the same result. Just check it. Because now, the value of this a is 2. Now, listen carefully. Think, this value of the a, set from outside of the program, may be by a user. And what will happen? If a got the value of 5. Let us change the value of a to 5. Now think, here, in this line of code, as a gives 5, JVM has to find the value of sixth position of the array. But no such position exists. In this case, the JVM will throw an exception. And notice this also. If there is a Java syntax error, our Eclipse IDE shows it with red color. No syntax errors here. Code is clean and clear. Let us run the code to see what happened. Look at this exception in thread main Java lang array index out of bounds exception 5 at firstape.main firstape.java 20. If you click here, Eclipse will take you to the code line which causes the exceptional situation. Array index out of bound exception is the name of the exception. Our array has the limit of 4 elements. But we are asking for sixth value. What can poor array do? So, an array index out of bound exception has thrown. There are more than 20 built-in exceptions, comes with Java library. And, if you want, you can define your own exceptions too. From the next lesson, I will teach you how to handle these exceptions. And how to do exception matching when there is a risk to throw different exceptions.